Thanks for clicking on the video. Like, subscribe, and share if you find this useful or interesting. Okay, so I've already recorded how to do all of this, and the video is ready. And then I said, holy crap, this is so hard and so tedious, and it takes so long that I was compelled to record an intro on top of the actual procedure, which is going to be in that video. And now I feel compelled to make a standalone video just to warn you about the video that's coming up. It's long, it's complicated, it's tedious, and that's the worst mix. There's some important concepts you need to get familiar with, and they're drowned by tedium. So I'm still going to publish that video, but I say treat it as a reference book. It's going to be long and boring, but I'm going to put a very detailed list of timestamps in the comments of the video, so you can find different phases and just click around or just watch at your own pace. But clearly, after doing all of this, it confirms what I already knew, is I need to write more automation tools. But it was still faster for me to record that video and suffer through it than it would be to actually write all those tools. And I have to write documentation at some time. So the next video exists. It will show you how to make this, but it's so incredibly hard, I can't even say, oh, you should totally do this. But I'm very happy with the result, though. Now that I've rolled this corner, I've pushed the defect that was living here all the way to this little piece here, and all the way to this little piece here. I don't have the weird extra bumps that surface filling was giving me. This blended model still looks very much like my original surfaces. It maintains the character of each section. I have blends exactly where I want them. The rolling corner here allows me to emphasize the fillet, the rounding in one direction, and make it in proportion to the next one. And when I actually have this all set up, the whole thing is actually really fun to work with. I click this point, it's at 0.625. I think I should bring it back down to 0.25, let's say. And boom, that adjusted. That was fun. This is a good interface. See right here, I've made the two sides unequal. I'm going to take this guy. I'm going to push it back this way. It's at 0.51. I'm going to put it at 0.75. When you have the model set up, the interface is damn near perfect. I can come to this guy right here, find it. I can jump to its data. Can find the original object. I can find its control polygon. I can find the curve just by a sequence of clicks. Now I found the curve. I go in here. I have the polygon. I have the actual sketch. I'm going to go here. I'm going to make this 50. Boom. And everything updated. And I still have my blends. Okay, now you can see the defects in these guys, and this is where you got to replace them with a filling surface. But still, it updated really fast. And yeah, once you get to here, you can finally design. Getting to here is hell, and I'm sorry. So yeah, I'm still going to publish it, but you've been warned. Take care.